Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of the trinomial square displayed on the screen for x equals negative a squared, y equals b squared, and z equals negative c squared. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for trinomial square, a plus b plus c in parentheses squared. In order for me to use the formula, I need to write the trinomial as, in square parentheses, 8x plus negative 9y, in parentheses, plus 4z, closing square parentheses, squared. This way, 8x corresponds to the a in the formula, negative 9y corresponds to the b in the formula, and 4z corresponds to the c in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to 8x in parentheses squared plus negative 9y in parentheses squared plus 4z in parentheses squared plus 2 times 8x multiplied by negative 9y plus 2 times 8x multiplied by 4z plus 2 times negative 9y multiplied by 4z. And when I simplify further, this equals to 64x squared plus 81y squared plus 16z squared. Then I have negative 9 multiplied by 8 is negative 72 multiplied by 2 is negative 144 xy. Then I have 2 times 8, 16 multiplied by 4 is 64 xz. And then I have 2 times 4, 8 times negative 9 is negative 72 yz. As a next step, I need to substitute x with negative a squared, y with b squared, and z with negative c squared. When I do that, this equals to 64 negative a squared to the power of 2 plus 81 b squared to the power of 2 plus 16 negative c squared to the power of 2 minus 144 multiplied by negative a squared and then multiplied by b squared plus 64 negative a squared multiplied by negative c squared minus 72 b squared multiplied by negative c squared. When I simplify further, I get 64 a to the power of 4 plus 81 b to the power of 4 plus 16 c to the power of 4 plus 144 a squared b squared plus 64 a squared c squared plus 72 b squared c squared. I can't simplify further, therefore this is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.